classic Armenia Noir grapes. 6,000 years, maybe 8,000 years of cultivation. If they dig a little bit lower in the RNE1 cave, they'll show that this is controversial. Maybe the Georgian wine pips came from here. So these grapes are in nice condition this year. They've had quite a bit of rain, and these grapes, the RNE Noir, are the predecessor to the Pinot Noir, and they're sitting on their own roots. No phloxia here in Armenia. So these are natural, not trained, organic, as we like it. Join us here in Armenia. It's a special place.